1. Install Python. The first step is to download and install Python on your computer. You can download the latest version of Python from the official website, https://www.python.org/download/. Choose the version that matches your operating system and follow the installation instructions. 2. Choose an IDE or code editor to write Python code. You will need a code editor or an IDE, integrated development environment. Some popular choices for Python include PyCharm, Spider, and Visual Studio Code. 3. Learn the basics. Start by learning the basics of Python syntax and structure. This includes understanding variables, data types, operators, control structures, loops, and functions. You can find tutorials in courses online or in books to help you learn the basics. 4. Practice with projects. Once you have a good understanding of the basics, start practicing by building small projects. Some ideas for beginner projects include a calculator, a simple game, like Hangman, a program that generates random passwords, a program that converts temperature between Celsius and Fahrenheit 5. Dive deeper as you gain more experience. Start learning more advanced Python concepts such as object-oriented programming, file input, output, error handling, and web development. You can find tutorials and courses online to help you learn these concepts. 6. Practice. More practice is key to becoming proficient in Python. Keep building projects and experimenting with new concepts to improve your skills. 7. Join a community. Join a Python community to connect with other learners and developers. This can be a great way to get help with problems and learn new tips and tricks. 8. Keep learning. Python is a constantly evolving language, so it's important to keep learning and staying up to date with new developments. Subscribe to Python newsletters and follow Python influencers to stay in the loop. Good luck on your journey to learning Python.